Embrace is for women who are experiencing hair loss. Maybe you're really new to it, maybe not. But wherever you are, you're really struggling. You're struggling mentally around it, you're struggling emotionally with it. If you're just feeling stuck and you're feeling like, I can't get past this feeling of, why is this happening to me? My life is over. And it was COVID, it was pre-COVID, and it was post-COVID. And I think we have that with hair loss. There's pre-hair loss days and there's post-hair loss days. What happens to a lot of women is they feel like they'll never be who they were pre-hair loss. They give up doing things that they love, being social in the way that they want to be social. They're just afraid to engage in life the way that they used to, because hair loss is so heavy. It robs us of so many good things, and you deserve to be moving past that. You deserve to be on the other side of the sadness that hair loss has brought into your life. Are you still gonna have sadness sometimes? Absolutely. You still gonna have bad days? Yes. I want us to come together through that Embrace program, whether it's one-on-one or group coaching. Let's talk about what happened around the time that I figured out that I was losing my hair. Let's figure out what happened for me there. How did that go? How do I change it? How do I get to a place where I feel like I'm living my best life again?